If you're looking for a sign not to quit your business, your YouTube channel, anything you're doing, this is it. Hello, fabulous people. Welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Amor Millie. You can call me Millie. Thank you for tuning in or stopping by. So on this channel, we talk about money, we talk about business, we talk about credit, we talk about anything money business. What I'm thinking, I am probably gonna start adding lifestyle, maybe some hair reviews, vlogs. So let's see how it goes. I'm excited to do other things, to try other things on this channel. So let's see how it goes. If this is something that will interest you, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell notification so that you can get a notification anytime I post a new video, and so that you don't miss a thing. Thank you for stopping by. So let's get right into today's video. Now, today's video is going to be a motivational video for business owners, for YouTubers, for anybody, anybody that's looking for growth and they feel like they're not growing enough, and they feel, or maybe they feel that the pace at which they're growing is not as fast as they want it to be. This video is for you. What I'm gonna talk about right now, I'm gonna use a bamboo tree. What is bamboo growth? Now, bamboo tree is a tree that when you plant the seed, it stays in the ground for 5 years. Now, the 5 years, this seed has to be watered every single day. Every single day it has to be watered. And then nothing will happen for 5 years. Sometimes 3 years, something might happen, but up to 5 years, nothing will happen. Around that 5-year mark, what happens is it shoots out of the ground. Now, as soon as this tree shoots out of the ground, it takes only 5 weeks for it to grow 90 feet. So 5 years, nothing. 5 weeks, 90 feet. Okay? So you're probably starting your business, or you started your business. You've done everything you need to do. You feel like you've watered your business ideas. You've fertilized your business plan. You've done every homework it is that you need to do, and you continue doing it every single day, and still nothing is happening. I'm here to tell you, do not give up, because there is growth in the future for you. There is growth close by for you. There's growth nearby for you. The only thing is you cannot give up, because if you give up, then the growth will never show up for you. That's why I'm here today, to talk to you. Now, you might say, well, I'm not getting support from anybody. I'm doing everything alone. You know what? It's okay to sometimes walk alone. Because if you're not walking alone, you'll probably be getting ideas in your head. For me, when I'm doing something and I get a lot of voices in my head, this one is telling me this, that one is telling me that, it confuses me. So I like to either speak to one person when I'm doing something, or don't speak to anybody at all, and do whatever I need to do. And once I do it, I let people know, okay, this is what I've done and this is what's going on. So don't be listening to people's ideas, because some people are very negative. They will tell you, well, maybe this business is not for you. Maybe you need to stop it and do something else. Go work for someone else. No. You could be working for someone and also working on your dream, which is becoming a business owner, or becoming a YouTuber, or becoming anything you want to become. You could be working for someone. I'm never telling you to go and quit your job because you're going to be a successful YouTuber or you're going to be a successful entrepreneur. I would never tell you to go quit your job. Now, I didn't quit my job while I was doing my eyelash business, and I was working and packing lashes every day. I have a lady that I admire so much. She's a business owner. She is a mom, a wife. She works, okay, for a corporation. She's a social worker, and she also has her own practice, and she sells cookware, okay. Now I will leave her website in the description below. I admire her so much. I will also put her Instagram in the description below. She does it all. Sometimes I look at her and I'm like, do you sleep? And she's like, you know what? The success that I want, this is what I need to do. And when she's saying it, she's not sounding like she's tired or anything. She's excited about it. You should hear her talk about her pots, her cookware. You should hear her talk about it. She lights up when she talks about it. Every day I go on social media, she's there standing next to her pots, posing, telling people, cooking every day, cooking in her pots, showing people's reviews, and she's excited about it. So someone could tell you, you know what, oh, you can't do it all. You could do it all. She's an example that you could do it all, okay? You can do it all. Just believe in yourself. You're probably feeling drained right now. You're tired because you started something, you invested money in it, and you feel like you're not getting your return. Don't give up. As I said in my previous video, sometimes you need to restructure. Sometimes you need to work on yourself. When I started my first business, my cleaning business, I had to do some work on myself because I didn't know how to talk to people, how to approach people and pitch a sale to them, or to pitch my business to them that I'm a cleaner, a commercial cleaner, and I'm looking to clean for them. I couldn't do it. So what I did was I had to work on myself, my self-esteem, my confidence. I need to build all of that. I need to build it. There's so many resources on this YouTube that can help so much. How to build your self-confidence. There's so many videos that can help you. How to be a better salesperson. There's so many videos that can help you. I watched so many videos. I don't even know which one I can keep putting the link below for you, but I will find one that helped me and I'll put in the link below. How to be a better salesperson, how to be a better person. Like any of those videos, they're really good when you're trying to build your confidence, because salespeople are known to be really confident people. Because imagine, you don't know the person, you go to them and you start talking to them about what the product you're selling. Like, it takes a lot of confidence. So watch a video on how to be a better salesperson, and it helped me tremendously, and I was able to land my contract that I have right now. So do the work on yourself when you feel like nothing is happening, I'm not getting sales, I've done everything. Sometimes the work is you. It's not the product you're giving out. Sometimes it's you. So work on yourself. Do the work, and hopefully everything will work out for you. As I said, working on myself worked for me with my cleaning business. It gave me the confidence I need because I worked. I'm thinking about doing a video on how to balance your work life and your business life. Maybe I can talk to the lady that I mentioned in the description below. Maybe she can give us some tricks and tips on what she does. I don't know. I'll ask her. I haven't spoken to her yet, but I'm gonna ask her if that's something she would like to do, and maybe we can share it here, because as I said, she is amazing and I admire her so much, and I wonder how she does it, but she does it, and it's not like she doesn't have fun. She still has fun, okay? She still has fun. So she's not drained. When you're doing business, it doesn't mean you always look like drained. No, she doesn't look drained. She looks amazing. And so yeah, hopefully she can give us some ideas on our channel here. So yeah, that's what I came here to tell you. So just keep pushing. Don't give up. don't quit. Do not quit. If you believe in what you're doing so much, there's no need to quit. The growth will come. Don't give up. You're probably thinking I should quit. Don't do it. This is a sign. If you're looking for a sign not to quit your business, your YouTube channel, anything you're doing, this is it. Don't quit. Keep doing what you're doing. The sales will come, the views will come, everything will fall into place for you. I forgot to mention this. We got 2,000 subscribers. We're at 2,000 subscribers. I didn't mention it in this video. So thank you all so much for 2,000 subscribers. Thank you all. I appreciate y'all. Please keep subscribing, keep commenting, keep liking. I'm gonna be sharing so much on this channel. Hopefully y'all will enjoy it. Let's grow together. Love you all. Bye.